How to add your Magento website to Calcurates account. You can find Website tab in the left menu Basic Configuration section. There are 7 columns in the website grid, which are filled after the addition of the website. By default, you have one website already added to your Calcurates account. You should change its details to your own ones. Step 1. You should enter website name and website URL. You can also enter a website description if you want to. On step 2, main origin must be assigned to the website. In the case of single origin shipping, ingest the assigned single origin of your website. In the case of multi-origin shipping, this origin will be used as a fallback origin with an origin selection algorithm. Step 3. Calcurates provides you with an API key in order to connect your Magento 2 to Calcurates. You should copy this API key and go to your Magento account. Select Source tab in the left menu and tap Configuration. In Configuration section, select Sales drop-down and then tap Delivery Methods. Now moving down until we see the section dedicated to Calcurates. In the Calcurates API token field, we should paste the previously copied key and save the new update. Return to the website configuration and go to step 4. Now you should add your platform authorization token. It can be generated in the Magento account. Select the System tab in the left menu and tap Integrations. Add new integration. You can see 2 required fields here, name and your Magento admin password. Now go to the API section. Here you select the resources so that the Calcurates can access them. If you don't want to give access to everything, then you can mark only specific API resources listed in our user guide. Now save the creation configuration. Return to the configuration page. Now we need to activate our new integration. Copy access token generated by your Magento. Go back to Calcurates and on step 4 paste it here. Click on Sync button. Select a Magento website in the drop-down. Calcurates will get all necessary data from your Magento that will help you to configure shipping. Don't forget to save your website. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.